In this video, I'm going to show you how to place an order within Genius. That is to book a person onto a training course. So we go to the event. This is the first aid at work. I can see the dates. So I just click book. That adds the item to my basket. I just want to change the quantity to 2. So I'll change that, update basket. Just check that the balances are all correct. Now, if I want to place this order for a new customer, I will enter their details in the form here. But in this case, I want to make the order for an existing customer. So I need to search for them. Just type in the first couple of letters of the company name, click search. This brings me up the results. I find the person I want, just click on their name. No need to type any details in. The form is pre-filled for me with all the details for the customer. Check this box to send the email to the customer. Choose the payment method and click to place the order.